Welcome to our captivating journey into the world of animal feeding mechanisms. Today, we'll explore the fascinating adaptations and strategies that animals have evolved over millions of years to obtain their nourishment. The natural world is home to a remarkable diversity of creatures, each with its unique way of acquiring food. In this video, we'll dive into the intriguing world of feeding mechanisms in terrestrial and aquatic animals, insects, protozoa, and more. We'll witness how these remarkable creatures employ specialized mouthparts and behaviors to secure sustenance. So, buckle up as we embark on this captivating expedition of nature's culinary wonder. The natural world is home to a remarkable diversity of animals, each with its unique way of obtaining food. Feeding mechanisms have evolved over millions of years, allowing creatures to thrive in their habitats and adapt to changing conditions. In this video, we delve into the captivating world of feeding mechanisms, providing simple explanations and examples of how animals acquire their food. Modified feeding habits. In the face of challenges such as limited food availability or competition, some animals have developed modified feeding habits to survive. These adaptations include nectar delivery. Hummingbirds are a classic example of nectarivores. They have long, slender bills that allow them to reach deep into flowers and extract nectar, their primary source of food. Frugivory. Certain animals, like fruit bats and parrots, are frugivores. They rely heavily on fruits, which provide essential nutrients for their diet and contribute to seed dispersal in their ecosystems. Mechanisms of feeding in aquatic animals. Life underwater presents unique challenges, but aquatic animals have ingeniously adapted to their environment. Some mechanisms of feeding in aquatic animals include filter feeding. Baleen whales, such as humpback and blue whales, are filter feeders. They have baleen plates in their mouths, which act as sieves, allowing them to trap tiny organisms, like krill, while filtering out water. Filter feeding in mosquito larvae. Mosquito larvae are aquatic immature stages of mosquitoes that develop in stagnant water bodies, like ponds, marshes, or containers. The larvae of some mosquito species employ a feeding strategy known as filter feeding. This mechanism enables them to extract microorganisms and organic particles suspended in the water, providing essential nutrients for their growth and development. The mouthparts of mosquito larvae consist of a specialized structure called a brush-like filter comb or filter basket. This filter basket is located near the mouth and is covered in fine hairs or setae that act as a sieve. The larvae position themselves just below the water's surface, where they use rapid movements to create water currents. As water flows through the filter basket, it traps tiny particles, including algae, bacteria, and other small organisms. The filter feeding in mosquito larvae serves two important purposes. First, it allows them to obtain nourishment from a wide range of microorganisms present in their aquatic habitat. Second, by consuming these microorganisms, mosquito larvae play a crucial role in the ecosystem's nutrient cycling and serve as food sources for other aquatic organisms. Filter feeding in Tilapia galilea. Tilapia galilea, commonly known as Galilee tilapia, is a species of freshwater fish belonging to the Tilapia family. These fish are omnivorous, and their feeding behavior is characterized by a combination of filter feeding and browsing. Filter feeding in Tilapia galilea occurs when they consume planktonic organisms and other small particles suspended in the water column. Tilapia possess specialized structures called gill rakers, which are finger-like projections on their gills. The gill rakers act as filters, trapping tiny food particles as water passes through the gills during respiration. The Tilapia then use their tongues to remove the trapped particles and swallow them. While filter feeding forms part of their feeding strategy, Tilapia galilea are also opportunistic browsers. They graze on algae and aquatic plants found on rocks or submerged surfaces. The combination of filter feeding and browsing allows them to maintain a varied diet, obtaining both animal-based and plant-based nutrients. Suction feeding. The mantis shrimp, a fascinating marine predator, uses a lightning-fast strike to capture prey using suction. This technique helps them catch small fish and crustaceans with incredible precision. Mechanisms of feeding in terrestrial animals. On land, animals have developed various feeding strategies to suit their dietary needs and hunting techniques. Herbivores and their specialized dentition. Herbivores, such as cows and giraffes, have evolved specific adaptations to consume plants efficiently. They possess broad molars and powerful jaw muscles to grind tough plant material into digestible pieces. Omnivores, and their versatile diets. Raccoons and bears are examples of omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. Their versatile diet allows them to thrive in a wide range of environments, adapting to available food sources. Insectivores. Creatures like anteaters and armadillos are insectivores, solely dependent on insects as their main food source. They possess long tongues and specialized snouts to catch and consume insects with ease. Scavenging. Nature's cleanup crew. Scavengers play a crucial ecological role as nature's cleanup crew. They consume decaying organic matter, breaking down dead plants and animals, and preventing the accumulation of waste in ecosystems. Vultures are iconic scavengers that possess powerful beaks and keen eyesight to detect carcasses from great distances. In the aquatic realm, scavengers like crabs and lobsters efficiently scavenge dead matter, playing a vital role in nutrient recycling. We have covered fascinating feeding strategies, from fluid feeders with sponging mouthparts to carnivorous plants employing trapping and absorbing mechanisms. But our journey doesn't end here. In the upcoming episodes, we will delve into the mesmerizing world of mechanisms of feeding in some remarkable animals. From filter feeding in aquatic creatures to specialized dentition in herbivores, we will uncover even more intriguing adaptations. For more in-depth information on these captivating topics, be sure to check out the link to the full article in the description below. There, you'll find a wealth of knowledge and visuals that complement this video, allowing you to further immerse yourself in the wonders of the animal kingdom. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our upcoming episodes. Join us as we continue our journey through the fascinating world of feeding mechanisms in the animal kingdom. Also, make sure to check out our other videos for even more captivating insights into the intricacies of life. And before you go, we have a special treat for you. Head over to our channel to watch our in-depth exploration of the incredible digestive system in animals. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awe-inspiring content on the wonders of the natural. See you in the next adventure.